Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from XIAOMI 14. So now first up, let's open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again free credits banner, just choose any source and go back. Now you can save your message for free. Click on the plus and choose source over document. I'm gonna pick the photo. Now you can choose the shape and add it to your picture or PDF file. Tap on the arrow, then you can choose the file type for the photo to make it more visible. If you already click on the accept icon. Now you can choose the country in the list and type the number in this place. To send a message, just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.